Mold, mildew, fungus, and odor-causing bacteria are not pretty, and they can even be harmful to your health. If you've got some nasty growth in your home, you can get rid of it with the right tools and some elbow grease. That's right, today we're going to show you how to get rid of mold and fungus without tearing out your existing surfaces by using a mold-killing primer. If you've got extensive growth, first wipe the surface clean of any moisture or slimy material. It's important to make the surface as even as possible for the paint to adhere to. We're using the mold-killing primer from Zinsser, which is a ready-to-use primer. Just open and stir well, then pour into your paint tray. Using a brush, paint any trim and corners. Paint further than the reach of the mold or fungus to ensure complete coverage. Now, roll on the primer. Be sure to paint over the entire area and cover it completely. Let the primer dry for 30 minutes and recoat if necessary. Paint the area with your selected color, let it dry, and there you have it. The primer will kill the mold underneath so you can have a nice clean room again.